Yo, what's up traders? Welcome to a new video. In this video, I'll be going over my trading results of the past week. And yeah, just as I do every single week. Let me show you. So over here we have in total made a gain of over 2%, which is good because I started in October the 13th and now it's the 16th, so it's about a month. It's okay. I mean, when I back tested it, it should average about 3 to 4% a month, but 2%, it's okay. Definitely, if you consider market, um, the market conditions at the moment, they're not the best. Of course, we had the elections, and yeah, other events that weren't favorable for this EA at the moment. So that's okay. But we see over here last month, this month we have a 0.86% and we're just about 2 weeks in. So it would, I think it would go to about 1.7, maybe 2% in November. However, I do have a few adjustments. I did make a few adjustments in the EA because I was not really that satisfied. So I'm not really sure how that would affect the EA and the trading results. I believe it should be better, but of course you don't know. But okay. The drawdown was a little bit bigger than usual, but it was still 2.4%, which is not much. And profit over here, you can see it. The profitability is still high, 91% win rate. Profit factor is still high, 3.25. It's extremely high. Those are open right now. And I'm just in the middle of waiting for these to be closed, and then I can implement other changes that I have because I won't trade all the symbols you see over here anymore. So I just play around with the settings and with the symbols, kind of choose a different strategy. But that's okay, of course, and it's just a matter of playing around and trial and error and see what performs better than previously. So yeah, it's just a matter of testing and keep doing what you have to do in order to create the best EA. Basically, just keep optimizing the EA and the strategy until you're satisfied. So basically that's it. I can show you a few trades that have closed. Let me grab two. I'm not going to make a long video. Alt CHF over here. And let me see. So that was a sell trade. Where was it? All right, over here. Let me zoom in a little bit. There was a nice one. Over here, it entered the trade. And in this candle, it closed, right? So this was really simple, nice trade. Over here, the sell at 4 o'clock is here. And it took about 37 minutes. So right in this candle, it closed also with profit, and that's of course what you want to see. And the GBP CHF trade, let me show you that one as well. Where is it? Over here. We grab the trade. Over here, I see it. Let me zoom in a little bit. Over here again, we see the nice trade. This one took about 52 minutes. So also in the same candle, it closes. And of course here we see a downtrend. It was the latest low. It broke the low. It went to the upside to make a retest, and then as you can see over here, it took the sell order, and it was a nice trade. Definitely a really nice trade. Of course, if we held longer, we would make more profit, but that's the purpose of the EA. It just completely automated. It's 100% mechanical, and we don't interfere with this strategy. Of course, I have other strategies in which I do not let the EA run 100%, but for this strategy, I do, and it runs 24/7. I mean 24/5, because forex markets are open 5 days a week, and I do not interfere with it. So yeah, let me see if I wanna add something else. I don't think so. Still 2% up this week. 0.5, 50%, 0.50%. Yeah, it's okay. It's quite good, and I think that we will average to about 2% this month in November. 2% gain. So that's what I'm looking for, and hopefully it will be a little bit bigger than that, more than that, and it will average about 3 to 4% a month. But we will see, and definitely with the adjustments that I have in mind, we will see the results in about, I think, 2 months. We have a better view of the performance and the changes, the effect of the changes that I made. All right, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.